Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make prune puree for baby. First, choose about 1 cup of pitted prunes, which are much easier to work with. You'll also need a small saucepan, a measuring cup, and a blender or food processor. Make sure all your equipment is sparkling clean. This simple, natural puree is a fantastic way to introduce new flavors and provide essential nutrients for your little one. Now, let's get cooking. Place your 1 cup of pitted prunes into a small saucepan. Add about 1.5 cups of filtered water, ensuring the prunes are fully submerged. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat, then reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, or until the prunes are incredibly soft and plump. This step is crucial for achieving a smooth puree. Once the prunes are perfectly soft, carefully transfer them, along with their cooking liquid, into your blender or food processor. Blend on high speed until you achieve a completely smooth, lump-free puree. If the puree seems too thick for your baby, you can add an extra tablespoon of water at a time until it reaches your desired consistency. Aim for a texture that's easy for your baby to swallow. Your homemade prune puree is ready. You can store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For longer storage, spoon the puree into ice cube trays and freeze. Once solid, transfer the cubes to a freezer-safe bag where they'll keep for up to 3 months. When serving, offer 1 to 2 tablespoons, ensuring it's at a safe, lukewarm temperature for your little one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.